My guests left the house. I mean, hi guys, and welcome to another one of my videos. Hola, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos a otro de mi video. I'm going to bring you guys along to look at my Airbnb today. This is a guest that just recently checked out. Normally I have my housekeeper message me and let me know how they left the property. So she's going to be going on vacation. Because of that, I'm just going to go take a look at the house and just see how they left it. I don't know if you guys are aware, Airbnb get asked as soon as a guest checks out if you would recommend them to any other host. If you have any comments or any concerns, really when you would actually address that as well. Just want to make sure that the guest that is going to be staying at other properties is a good guest. When I first started this journey, I didn't know what to expect. I feel like it would be a perfect video so that you guys can kind of take a look and see how a guest normally, in my opinion, leaves an Airbnb. Let's go and take a look. Okay guys, so this is our Airbnb and I wanted to show you guys how everything looks not touched when you first walk into an Airbnb where someone has stayed. As you can see, it's very minimal wear. Obviously, you know, there's some crumbs there. The couch is not done. You can tell they made some coffee here. We like to keep the blinds open, but obviously they like privacy. It doesn't even look like the dining table was touched. And you can tell that chair right there was moved, but that's about it. And then over here, I mean, everything looks great. It doesn't even look like they even sat in this living room, honestly. We also have a basement. Okay, and as you can see, the basement, also same concept. It doesn't even look like they even use these blankets. We also have like a little area over here for the kids and stuff. Doesn't look like they used any of the stuff here either. This is a cool little thing that I did. Basically, the printer totally messed up the lettering, but anyways, it just kind of allows them to know what to expect as far as Wi-Fi, etc. You can also do like a scanning, like a QR code. I noticed that that's also helpful too, which I'm gonna convert to that later on. That way your guests also know what to expect when they stay here. But yeah, guys, as you can see, they really just didn't touch this house as much, and they stayed here for 4 days. So quite some time, but the property is constantly being taken care of when you do short-term rentals. On the other hand, in my personal opinion, of course, if you do long-term rentals, sometimes those tenants could be a little bit more tedious when it comes to, you know, expectations, how to take care of your house, because it's not their house. So I feel like they're not going to care as much. But that's just me. And these people were super nice. I actually have my backyard being fixed. So the bed's undone, but I have a couple of my guys, as I was saying, working in the backyard. I'm sorry that my video is so glitchy. I'm running low on memory. But anyways, you guys, so this is basically what to expect. I do have my maintenance guys coming out to work on the backyard, but if you guys could see, so we have like a little playground back there. And then we also have a gazebo that's being fixed. So it's so pretty. We're actually in the process of changing these curtains as well. But that's kind of what to expect overall when it comes to having a short-term rental. I would highly recommend it. I know that there's a lot of bashing upon short-term rentals, but guys, our calendar has been booked for the month of July. Like, these people literally just left, and we have somebody coming in today at 4. So that's how booked it is. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Let me know, you know, if you guys have any questions about the Airbnb or any questions in general. Once again, I appreciate all of you guys. Thanks so much for watching another one of my videos. I am so grateful for all of you guys, every single one of you guys. Thank you for being a part of this YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Forget to subscribe and like, and I really hope I see you guys in the next one. Love you all.